Hey everyone, Derek here. Glad you're going to join me on this crazy adventure. Blizzard of 2022. Me and Max spent 2 nights out in the wilderness in this blizzard. We get dumped on. Probably about 2 feet of snow. Part 2 of Courtney Lake Campgrounds. Currently dragging firewood and the sled back to camp. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. I'm Derek, that's Maxwell in the background, and we're dragging our firewood to camp. Then we're going to cut it up, split it, stack it in the tent, go home and get a beef stew. That's right. I'm pretty close to home, like 15 minutes. That's the awesome thing about living up here in the UP of Michigan. You can go 10-15 minutes out of your doorstep and be in the wilderness. Granted, I'm at a campground, but there's not a soul in sight besides the crows cawing, which they haven't done in a while. That guy. What's up, Maxwell? Where you going, Max? You ready? All right, let's get going. Whoa, you're getting mouthy. You ready? We're gonna go back to camp for a bit. Then we'll go home for a little bit and come back. All right? Let's go. Come on, lead the way. Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, let's go. Yeah. That log likes to go into the snowbank. That's alright. I don't have much further to go. Max is waiting on me. Alright, gonna get this up there. Almost there, Max. Could you possibly help a bit? Oh, I don't know, bud, if I can make it. We got like 20 yards to go. Oh. Here, grab this rope with your teeth. You can do it. Use the tug-of-war champ when you were younger. Oh, man. Oh. Crawled halfway down this trail. Just trying to survive the 3-day blizzard in December of 2022. Oh, man. Alright, enough joking around. We got some work to get done. Oh, jeez Louise. Oh. Looks like I got plenty of wood for the night. Now the rest of this is going to be cooking wood for coffee and breakfast and stuff. Well, really just breakfast because I'm not making another dinner here. I'm cheating. I'm going to get my dinner. At least I didn't order it from a restaurant. So that looks like plenty for the little bit of cooking I got to do tomorrow morning and fire tonight. Okay, it's getting late in the day. I better get moving. This way, Max. Let's see. Come on. You just stay behind me. I'll bust the trail for you. Huh? You can do it too. It's a lot shallower in here where the trees are. Right, here's where I walked to earlier. And Yukon's not too far this way. Carrying all kinds of stuff, so I'm not a very good cameraman at the moment. So I'm going to shut the camera off and we'll pick it back up when we get back out here, I guess. Alright, check back in a bit. It is blizzard-like conditions right now. Wow, I'm feeling 30 right now. I gotta slow down even more. Yeah, you can't see diddly squat. There's the county. There goes the county. Coming up to Courtney Lake Road. Oh, looks like they plowed a little bit right here. I wonder if they plowed all the way down there. Here's the trailhead for the campground. I'm gonna drop my stuff off, go and park the truck, and hike on out there. Be back in a bit. I don't have a light on, that's just my phone making that blue light. But it's pretty dark out though. Oh, there you go. Pee on it. But yeah, she's snowing good. Woo! Love it. It's beautiful out here. Love this weather. Okay, I'm at the trailhead. I'm gonna grab up my stuff and start heading her to camp. Be about 10 minutes or so to get there. There's my stuff. Okie dokie. Yeah, baby, we still got coals. Been gone probably about 3 hours. I know this thing will hold coals for a long time, about 4, 5 hours, maybe even 6. Well, anyway, I'm going to get that puppy going and get inside and get these bibs off and start eating my stew. I'm going to put a couple pieces of my cooking wood in here. That'll get going a little bit easier than this other wood. And it's actually pretty warm in here yet, to be honest with you. So that's a good thing. Careful of that nose, Max. One more. I won't have to put wood in it for a while. That'll get her going. Amp her up. There we go. She'll get going quick now. Enough talk. Time to eat. Drink my soup. I might have to let it cool down though, like I say. Might be hot. I'll do a little test. Woo! She toasty! Woo! Yep, I gotta let it cool down. Okay, I'll check back in a bit. So one cool thing I want to mention about my little food thermos that I have is the fact that the lid has a little compartment in it where you can store, you know, a napkin, or you can put spices in there or something like that if you were going to finish your cooking out at your camp or whatever. And then not to mention the fact too that you can use the lid as a bowl. I don't normally do that because I don't really like to dirty it. But yeah, this is 18 fluid ounces, which is just over a pint. It's a Stanley food thermos. I've had this for quite a while. Took many a lunches in this. Mmm. That is so good. My little lady makes the best beef stew. 100% homemade besides the stock that she puts in it. Everything else is fresh. The potatoes and vegetables and stuff. Mmm. That is good. Oh yeah, that's delicious. Okay, well, me and Max is going to eat. I'm not going to give him much of this. I will give him some of my dinner roll soaked in the juice. He'll love that. There you go. Here you go, Max. Back. Yummy, huh? Or another. Gotta cool it down though. Liking the drippings. Just wait, just wait. It's cooling down. Nope, stay there. Blow not so you don't burn your tongue. Yeah, good boy. Good stuff, huh, Max? Oh, Max is happy. He's gonna get his dog food too. I'm gonna give him a couple more pieces of that, and then he'll get his dog food. Got a special drink tonight. It's different than what I normally drink, but it's a local favorite around here. It's called 1919. It's a root beer. Got a big old tall boy here too. But man, this is good. If anybody knows what A&W root beer tastes like, that stuff's pretty good. And these two companies actually were made the same year. I think it was the same year for A&W as well. But 1919, I'm pretty sure that was the year. It had something to do with Prohibition. So instead of brewing beer, they started brewing root beer. And yeah, this stuff's delicious. So this is my little special drink tonight. And then I also have after dinner snacks as well. This is the first time I've drank one out of the can. And normally I just stop at the one store that's fairly close, and I'll get like a half-gallon jug of it or like a to-go cup or something. Oh yeah, that's pretty good in the can too. On draft it's better, but that is delicious. There's a bite of my stew. You can see the taters over there, meat, carrots. Oh, I'm not sure if there's any celery on this spoon or not, but celery and maybe some other stuff. Love home cooking. I keep on scraping the bottom, and there's still no more. Still no more. Guess it's time to give up. Yeah, your little spork goes right there, and it's tight in there too. It's hard to get in and out. Almost got to have a pair of pliers sometimes. Alright, well, I'm going to finish my root beer, get into my after dinner snack in a little bit here. In a little while, me and Max will go outside for a bit, check out the storm. It's still coming down pretty good. You can hear it really good outside. So there should be a pleasant surprise in the morning. Should be quite a bit of snow in the morning, hopefully. Hopefully it's still snowing like this in the morning. It's supposed to be. We'll see. Alright, check back in a bit. Okay, time for the after dinner snack. Cookies! These are my most favorite cookies. Well, I guess it's a toss-up between the soft sugar cookies that have the really good frosting on them. Not icing, frosting. Buttercream. But anyways, these are monster cookies. And if you don't know what a monster cookie is, so you never had one, you're missing out. You better figure out how to make some. Maybe I'll put the recipe in the description. As a matter of fact, I'll put the recipe in the description. Okay, so what these have is oatmeal, peanut butter, mini chocolate, mini M&Ms, and chocolate chips. Now, there may be something else in there. Well, sugar, of course. I don't know. I'll put the link, or I'll put the the recipe in the description. Or maybe I'll even cut this video right here and I'll post the recipe, and you pause it and you write it down and try them. They're good. One of my favorites. Now, she packed me this many. I don't know if I'm going to eat this many tonight. I'm going to have a snack tomorrow too. Gonna have to give Max one. Yeah, you? You want a cookie? I'll give you a cookie. Part of a cookie. He can only have part of a cookie. Look at the little baby sleeping over there. You gotta leave me alone. Unless you got cookies. Cookie? Want a cookie, Max? He takes things ever so gently. He's such a good boy. Nah, I'll give you another one. You're a good boy. This is it, though. This will end up being a full cookie. There you go. Good boy. No more. We don't want to upset your belly. Max must think it's his birthday or something. He's getting all kinds of treats out here on this camp. You're going to want to go camp with me all the time, aren't you? Alright. We're going to go outside in a bit. Ready to go outside, hound dog? Just out here clearing the snow away from the tent, and golly, look at this. Must be about a foot of snow around my tent here. And I'm not saying from sliding off of the roof. No, there's about 18 inches where it's sliding off of the roof. 18 inches up the tent, at least, probably 20 inches up the tent. So, we're getting pounded right now. Come on. Well, gonna load the stove up and go to bed. Ain't that right, Maxwell? Yes, I know. You're so tired from a hard day of camping. I think Max likes it out here. I might have to bring him some more. If I go on an outing with that snow machine, I don't think I'm really going to be able to bring him. So, definitely have to plan where I bring them. Oh yeah, look at that nice red coals. Let's see how much we can stack up in here. Okay, everyone, good night. I'll see you in the morning. Max is saying good night too, he's moaning. Good morning. We got some wind last night and we got quite a bit of snow. I'm getting moving kind of late. I got coffee on. I'm gonna peek the camera outside, see what kind of damage we have. Holy! Let's get this camera out there. Oops, try not to get snow in my boots. Wow, it's still snowing. Yeah, we got quite a bit of snow last night. On top of that tote, looks like there's about 10 to 12 inches of snow on that. I mean, look at this. I cleared this all out last night and she's completely filled up again. Wow. Yeah. Just what the doctor ordered. Yeah, there's a lot of snow there at the bottom of the tent. It's hard to tell on the camera how much snow there actually is, but take my word for it, there's a lot. Alright, we got coffee going. We'll check back in a bit. And probably around, well, I don't know, I can't say a time because I'm moving slow this morning, but after breakfast and coffee, we'll get camp cleaned up. Check it out. Yeah, she's still snowing pretty good. Hey, Maxwell. Alright, I better get this door shut before the boss gets mad. Guess what time it is? Oh yeah. It's coffee pour time. Not quite as dark as it should be, but it'll do. That makes me happy. Here's the best part. If I can open it. There we go. Honey. Gonna have to replenish my supplies. Gotta go rob the bees again. It's like schnozzle. Bee puke. I love it. Used to get this honey down south where we're from, and that was right from the farm. Mostly from the farm. It came from the farm to a store that we bought it from. But anyways, once in a while that would have like bee particles in it. I saw straight up bee leg in one of them one time. I think I saw a bee's wing and then like just bee body parts. That's the good stuff there. Coffee bell. Now this is really hot, so it's still not actually coffee time. It was just coffee making time. Or preparing, whatever. Putting this stuff in it. Finally cool enough. Oh yeah. Well, I'm going to start packing up camp. I'm not going to cook any breakfast this morning, mainly because I got going so late. So, instead, I'm going to have some homemade banana nut and chocolate chip muffins. This will keep me going till lunch when I get home. Okay, well, I'm going to take a bite out of one of these. I'm going to wolf them down and pack things up. Make the trek through all the deep snow, at least 10 inches of snow, but it's kind of going to be more than that through the trail and stuff, because it's going to be filling the drifts in, and so it's going to be like probably like 15, 16 inches of snow or something that I'm going to be going through. So I'm going to get some video of that on the way out, and get a little bit of video of me packing up camp, and we'll get out of here. Max, of course, wants some. I'll give him a little tiny bite, but this is all I'm having, dog. And you're not doing anything. I gotta pack up camp by myself. Max likes banana nut muffins. Don't stare at me when I eat. Whatever you do, don't knock over my coffee. Yeah, you. Okay. Tom, we'll see him in a bit, Max. Ooh, 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 ooh. He's like, don't even start that crap. Right back to his little heated tent. Come on, we're gonna go this way. Well, let's see how this goes. Ooh, yep. Still gonna have to pull it. I was thinking I might be able to push it. All right, Max, let's go. Come on. Oh, this is way up past my knees. Oh no, poor Max. Come on, Max, let me go first. Max, wait. Come on. Maxwell. Come on, I don't want you working that hard, buddy. Ooh, that's gonna tip over. I'm gonna have to adjust that. This is tough going, huh, Max? You poor dog. I might just have to take you right to the truck without getting this stuff. You're gonna get cold. Yeah, you go back there. The sled and me will make a trail for you. Good boy. He just can't stay behind. He's always got to lead the way. It's tough leading the way sometimes. It's shallower over there. Okay. I gotta get moving so I can get him to the truck. Yeah, you for sure can't see across the lake today. It's snowing heavy. I hope I can get out of here. Maxwell's busting a path. This is taking quite a while. Some deep snow. Look at my path from the sleigh. Crazy. Max is waiting. Wants me to give him the go-ahead. It's hard to film. My GoPro quit working. I was planning on taking a video on the way out, but that thing pooped out. So when it gets cold, it just doesn't work right. On the time lapse, it worked just fine, but to do a regular video, it's not working right. So I hope it's still good. No, Maxwell thinks he sees something. It's not worth it, Max. See, you're stuck. Look at that. He's gone already. He's laughing at you. Come on, Maxwell, come. Come on, Max. Get over here. Let's see if I can get this thing moving again. Uh-oh, sled's tipping over. Hopefully it stays. Max, he's gone. Come on. Alright, I gotta put this camera down. Come on, right here, come on. Come on, this way. It's deep, huh? Leading the way again. Kind of hard to stop you. Let's go. Come on, don't you want to get to that truck? Get out of there. That's your bed. That's your bed, Max. Get out of there. Let's go. What are you doing? Let me lead then. I'll lead. Watch out. He just hates being behind me. Huh. Snow's crazy, huh, Max? There's the Yukon. Whew. Expended a lot of energy already. Wow. I still got to go back and get my tent and the tarp and the cot. Max will sit in the truck and wait for me. But that stuff's going to wait for a few minutes. I'm going to rest. Get all that snow off of the Yukon too. This is amazing. I absolutely love this. Okay, I think that's the last time I'm going to pull the camera out until I get to the Yukon at least. Remember how I said I was kind of hoping the county wasn't going to plow down to here? Well, I'm glad they did. That's like for sure 10 to 12 inches of snow on top of the Yukon. Not to mention there's a lot of wind that will hit this spot right here and blow a lot of the snow away. That was hard. I still got to go back and get my tent and stove and stuff. But I'm going to rest first. I need a break. Wow. I've been sitting in the truck about five minutes or so. I didn't even load any of that stuff up that I brought up. I'm going to get out there in a second here, load all that up, and probably take another break for a minute, because man, this is crazy. Plus wearing these bibs, it's extra wear and tear on me. They're really restricting. And other than that, after I get that stuff loaded up, I might take a little break, and then I'm going to go back and get that tent really quick. I'm just going to do a super quick teardown and head on back and try to get out of here. There's a lot of snow on the ground. I'll just have to take it easy on the way out. Okay. So I just got back to camp to pack up the tent and the stove and stuff. Just want to give you an idea of how deep the snow really is. The tent's sitting on the ground, and there's that much snow up against it. It's probably 3 feet for sure. And it's coming down still. I bet you if it keeps on snowing all day today, that spot where the tent is will be completely filled in. You won't even know I was here. Well, anyway, Max is waiting on me in the truck. I got the heated seat on for him, and I got the truck on as well. So he's warming up. I'm gonna get this packed up and get out of here. All right, camp's all packed up. Whew, it's snowing like crazy still. Let's take a look at that. Look at that picnic table. There's quite a bit more snow on there today than there was when I got here 2 days ago. There's everything in the sleigh. There's camp all cleaned up. That's just the gravel in the center there on the bottom. But anyway, I'm gonna get going before my trail fills in, and I'll check in one more time, and that'll be the end of the video for this one. Oh, it's a lot easier walking with this trail busted through. Still sure is tiring. There's the lake one more time. Not that you can see it. Well, if you liked this adventure, this crazy adventure in the blizzard of 2022, give me a like, subscribe, comment, and share. It helps build my channel. And I really like coming out here and doing these camps. Plus, I really like making the content. It's fun. Why don't you comment below and let me know what was your favorite part of the video. Other than that, thanks a lot for watching. It was fun. And once I get up to the Yukon, I'll have Max say bye too. Wowzers. I made it. Let's go see Max. See how he's doing. Get this rope off of me. Hey Max, how you doing? You warm in there? Thanks for all the help, bud. Tell everybody bye, Max. Hey, look at me. Tell everybody bye. You got that heated seat on, you don't give a crap, do you? You a boy. You're a good boy, Max. Okay, fine, I'll leave you alone. Whew. Okay. That was a great adventure. I'll take a little video on the way out, because this trail road is pretty snowy. Alright, well let's give her a whirl, Earl. It's 28 degrees. I figured it was colder than that. Anyways, let's go. Oh yeah, we're not going to have any problems. Old Trusty does pretty good. You can sure tell there's a lot of snow though. Oop, I better not drive into the snowbank. It was. Oh yeah, I gotta get all the clean the hood off. I had to show you this. Look at that snow. Look at how much snow I'm pushing with the bumper. All the way up into the grill. Well, this thing doesn't sit that high, but that's a lot of snow when you're pushing, when you're plowing with your bumper. Yes, sirree. Okay. Thanks again for watching. County. What the hell are you doing? Well, that was fun. I almost got stuck there. Decided to talk to my buddy at the county there. He's plowing. I actually used to work for the county, and he's plowing my old route. This is my route from before when I was working for the county. Wow. There's so much snow here. Okay, we made it to the highway. I cannot see one way or the other very far, so I guess I'm just gonna go for it. Don't lollygag, get some speed up quick. I can't even see behind me if there's anybody behind me or not. I'm just gonna go. Wow. Look at the drift in front of my house. Insane. That's anywhere from 4 to 5 feet tall. Well, about 4 foot. Look at the front of the Yukon. The old Yucatan did good today. Max is still in there. I got to get him out. I'm going to have to carry him. We're basically snowed in. I'm freaking glad I made it home. Wow. Insane. Okay. I got to bust a path so I can get Maxwell in. Let's see if I can do it on camera. Wow. Look at that. Oh. Absolutely crazy. Okay, Max is wondering why I'm not getting him out yet, so I gotta clear some snow out right here. But anyways, thanks again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share.